In today's fast-paced world, finding time for household chores can be a challenge, but Samsung's bespoke Jetbot Combo Steam aims to solve that problem by offering an intelligent, automated cleaning experience. This premium wet and dry robot vacuum is packed with features designed to make home maintenance easy and efficient. So, practically speaking, for those of you who have been cleaning your floors by yourself with a broom and a mop, the bespoke Jetbot Combo Steam will definitely be a game changer. The Samsung Bespoke Jetbot Combo Steam is a robot cleaner that combines the functions of a vacuum cleaner and a mop. Having a single device for both vacuuming and mopping eliminates the need to switch between two different appliances, simplifying the cleaning process. By performing both tasks simultaneously, it can clean your floors more efficiently, saving you time and effort. This automated cleaning device can maintain a consistent level of cleanliness by regularly vacuuming and mopping your floors, reducing the buildup of dirt and grime. At the heart of its cleaning prowess is a digital inverter motor, which delivers powerful suction to remove dirt, dust, and debris from all types of flooring. It can pick up fine particles and large debris, making it suitable for everyday messes like food crumbs and dirt dragged in by you from the outside. The high-efficiency brush with a built-in hair grinder technology ensures that hair is collected and cut before being sucked up, preventing tangles that are common in traditional vacuums. In addition to vacuuming, the bespoke Jetbot Combo Steam also features dual rotating mop pads that spin at 170 RPM for mopping the floors. There's also an onboard water tank that keeps the mop pads wet. When the water is used up, it will return to the Clean Station Steam Plus to refill its water tank. The same process also applies to the onboard dustbin. To clean your floors more efficiently and manage power consumption, the bespoke Jetbot Combo Steam comes with AI flaw detection. Using a set of 5 sophisticated sensors, the robot cleaner can distinguish between hard floor and carpet and adjust its suction power accordingly. When it detects a carpet, the robot automatically lifts its mop by 10mm or detaches it at the station if the carpet is thicker to prevent your carpet from getting wet. For more precise navigation, it scans the room and creates a detailed map of your home by using a direct time of flight or DTOF sensor. It identifies obstacles and navigates around furniture, avoiding potential collisions or getting stuck. You can also view and customize this map through the SmartThings app, enabling selective room cleaning, no-go zones, and route customization. The all-in-one Clean Station Steam Plus is more than just a charging station. There's a clean water tank, a wastewater tank, and a dust bag. With these 3 components, it's a fully automated maintenance hub that washes, sanitizes, dries, and refills the robot's water tank, while also managing dust collection. With the SmartThings app, you can set the robot cleaner to return to the Clean Station Steam Plus during or after cleaning, at a specific time, or when it has cleaned a particular room or space. When it docks at the station, the high-temperature washing function automatically washes the mop pads by spinning it against the washing plate with water heated to temperatures between 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. The dirty water is then sucked up into a wastewater tank. Following that, the mop pads go through steam sanitization, where they are sprayed with high-temperature steam up to 100 degrees Celsius. This removes 99.99% of harmful bacteria and reduces the unpleasant odor generated by used wet mops. Finally, the mop pads and cleaning plate are dried using hot air at a temperature of 55 degrees Celsius, preventing bacterial growth and keeping the mop fresh for the next cleaning session. Meanwhile, the robot cleaner's dustbin is automatically emptied into a dust bag inside the station, so you never need to touch the dust yourself. This system is designed to reduce manual intervention and ensure that both the vacuum and your home stay clean and hygienic. When the time comes, you just need to empty the wastewater tank, refill the clean water tank, and replace the dust bag. You might have heard me mention the SmartThings app earlier. That's because you can access, control, and automate your bespoke Jetbot Combo Steam using the app. Once your house has been mapped, you can set no-go zones and virtual walls to prevent the robot cleaner from going into certain rooms, avoid delicate furniture, or only to clean one section of the room. On the flip side, Select and Go allows you to manually direct the robot cleaner to a specific room or specific area that needs cleaning. This is great for when you're having guests over or need to clean up after a party. For more granular control, room customization lets you assign the cleaning method for each room or specific area. You can also choose if you want the robot cleaner to just vacuum, just mop, or do both for each room. Moreover, you can even set the suction power and the mop pad cleaning intensity according to the level of dirt in the room. So, if there's a room that your pet uses the most, or people walk with shoes on, you can increase the cleaning intensity. Anytime during the cleaning process, you can use the app to check and monitor the robot's cleaner's approximate location with a 3D map, task, and status in real time. Once the job has been completed, you will receive a cleaning report with any failures and their accompanying reasons. So, you can control and monitor the robot cleaner from the office or while you're on vacation. Thanks to its compatibility with the Samsung Bixby voice assistant, you don't even need to launch the app to control the robot cleaner. It's understandable if you're concerned about privacy and security considering that the bespoke Jetbox Combo Steam has a comprehensive map of your home. But you can be rest assured that the data on the robot cleaner is secured and protected by Knox technology, the same technology that encrypts private data on your Galaxy devices. For households looking to simplify their cleaning routine, the Samsung Bespoke Jetbox Combo Steam with its all-in-one Clean Station Steam Plus, steam sanitization, and customizable cleaning deliver a level of convenience unmatched by traditional vacuums. With this robot cleaner, you can do less, live more, and spend your valuable time with the people who matter most or doing what you love. You can find more information on the Samsung Bespoke Jetbox Combo Steam with the link in the description. Well, we have come to the end of the video. Do give it a like if you liked it, and if you haven't already, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and also X for the latest news on almost everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye!